Here we go.
So we've just managed to make it in time. Well, I think it is coming out of the crack.
It's coming out of the crack.
Underneath the tank, right?
Yeah.
Very easy. So we know what part's broken and we're going to fix it. And the air filter is getting a steam clean.
Which is quite rare on these cars, right?
We're gonna have to wait like 40 minutes before we can touch it. There's a crack on this part here.
Oh, okay.
In the actual car.
Oh, okay. So this is the bit that we're replacing.
We're waiting for Uncle to come and open his garage, which was supposed to be open at 8:30.
We're here 2 minutes early. Do your little dance again. Look. Really. Show us.
This is fine.
This is all you need to work on a building.
That's the that one clip, bro. I've used that one clip for everything. It's a flathead, it's a bleed screw, tools, everything.
He uses it to cut his pizza, everything. So
this is why it was leaking, because
oh, okay.
and it got worse as it got hot, which makes me think it must have been this.
Okay.
I don't know, we'll see.
We're not gonna recycle it. So say that again, Vidu. What's your
car in a nice garage like this, with all the tools next to you, and heating, and a ramp, is actually fun. It's actually enjoyable. If this was on the street, on the driveway, I think I would have given up. I would have set fire to this piece of shit and I'd roll it down the road.
Alright, so safe to say we need to get a unit.
Yeah, I think so.
Need a hex.
Turn the light again. I can see the car. If he's gonna not charge too much to do this, I say we always bring the cars here, fam.
£2,000 bill later.
It's warm, it's music. I think he's gonna give us some food later. I told him to make food.
I don't think he was planning that you were gonna come. He's asking for the light because Vivian's here playing with it.
Me and Mick were yapping too much. He just wants to hold the light.
Your NHS is here for you.
He just did that dad thing, innit?
Do you want to be the next
Stop yapping and hold the light.
So hold on a second. Let's understand what's going on. Roger's looking for the part that replaces the one we just took off. And Vidu, where have you left the part? Oh, up here. along with all our tools and everything else. Look at that. It squirts again. It's a fountain. You could just leave this outside the house, bro. This could be like a little unit. Yeah. So, what is that video in your hand? Is this for turkeys? Is this for cooking video? Where did you get it?
I thought that before I broke down, so very happy about that. Very, very happy about that.
Okay, so we're off home now. The car is a little bit more gruntier than it used to be, so it's been fixed for sure.
I'm gonna make sure we do not let me sell this car.
Oh no, this is getting sold, bro. Like, this is going. Like, that smile's going.
He said if it gets fixed, you have to sell it.
Oh, cooler lights back on.